The first step is to gather evidence of exposure. This includes any medical records, environmental reports, or documentation of your location and activities. The more information you have, the stronger your case will be. Next, consult with a qualified attorney who specializes in PFAS litigation. They can provide guidance on the legal process and help you understand your rights. An experienced lawyer will also know how to navigate the complexities of these cases. Once you have legal representation, your attorney will help you assess the viability of your claim. They will evaluate the evidence and determine if you have a strong case for compensation. This step is crucial in deciding how to move forward. After assessing your claim, your attorney will file the lawsuit on your behalf. This involves submitting the necessary paperwork to the appropriate court. It's important to ensure that all documents are completed accurately to avoid delays. Following the filing, the discovery phase begins. This is when both parties exchange information and evidence related to the case. Your attorney will work to gather additional evidence to support your claim during this time. As the case progresses, there may be opportunities for settlement negotiations. Your attorney will advise you on whether to accept a settlement offer or proceed to trial. Each option has its pros and cons, so careful consideration is necessary.